Retiring comfortably is a dream for many, but it often seems out of reach, especially for those starting with little to no savings. However, with careful planning, discipline, and the right strategies, achieving financial independence and retiring within a relatively short time frame is possible. In this guide, we'll explore a roadmap to retiring in just 7 years, even if you're starting with nothing but determination. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. Before embarking on your journey to early retirement, it's crucial to take stock of your current financial situation. This includes understanding your income, expenses, debts, assets, and liabilities. Create a detailed budget to track where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Additionally, calculate your net worth to get a clear picture of your financial health. Step 2. Set clear retirement goals. Define what retirement means to you and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Determine your desired retirement age, the lifestyle you envision, and the amount of income you'll need to sustain it. Be realistic about your expectations and consider factors such as inflation, healthcare costs, and unexpected expenses. Step 3. Develop a savings plan. Saving aggressively is key to retiring in a relatively short time frame. Start by building an emergency fund to cover at least 6 months' worth of living expenses. Next, focus on maximizing your savings rate by cutting unnecessary expenses and increasing your income through side hustles or additional sources of revenue. Allocating 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. As your income grows, aim to save a higher percentage of your earnings, keeping lifestyle inflation in check. Step 4. Invest wisely. Investing is essential for growing your wealth and achieving financial independence. Even if you're starting with little to no savings, you can still begin investing by taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401 or opening an individual retirement account, IRA. Allocate your investments based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and retirement goals. Consider a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets to mitigate risk and maximize returns over the long term. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts and investment vehicles such as index funds, exchange-traded funds, and real estate investment trusts, REITs, to compound your wealth efficiently. Step 5. Generate passive income. In addition to traditional investments, focus on building passive income streams that can supplement your retirement savings. This could include rental income from real estate investments, dividends from stocks and bonds, royalties from intellectual property, or income from a business or online venture. Diversifying your income sources not only provides financial security, but also reduces reliance on a single source of income. Explore opportunities that align with your skills, interests, and resources, and leverage technology and automation to streamline income generation processes. Step 6. Minimize taxes and expenses. Efficient tax planning can significantly impact your retirement savings and overall financial well-being. Take advantage of tax deductions, credits, and retirement account contributions to minimize your tax liability. Consider consulting with a tax advisor or financial planner to optimize your tax strategy and maximize after-tax returns. Additionally, be mindful of investment fees, brokerage commissions, and other expenses that can erode your returns over time. Choose low-cost investment options and negotiate fees whenever possible to keep more of your money working for you. Step 7. Stay disciplined and flexible. Achieving early retirement requires discipline, patience, and perseverance. Stay committed to your savings and investment plan, even during periods of market volatility or economic uncertainty. Be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed based on changing circumstances, but avoid making impulsive decisions that could derail your long-term goals. Maintain a frugal mindset and prioritize your financial independence over short-term gratification. Celebrate milestones along the way, but stay focused on the ultimate prize of early retirement and the freedom it offers to pursue your passions and enjoy life on your own terms. Conclusion: retiring in just 7 years starting with zero savings may seem like a daunting task, but with careful planning, diligent saving, and strategic investing, it's achievable for those who are willing to put in the effort. By assessing your financial situation, setting clear goals, saving aggressively, investing wisely, generating passive income, minimizing taxes and expenses, and staying disciplined, you can pave the way to financial independence and retire early with confidence. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your financial future and start working towards the retirement of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.